Welcome to day 3 of our exciting English learning challenge. Today we're diving into the heart of your daily life. Picture yourself in the comfort of your home, sipping your morning coffee and spotting the simple objects that surround you. Everyday vocabulary is essential, and by recognizing these common words, you'll seamlessly integrate English into your life, making your learning journey even more enriching. First, let's grasp why vocabulary is incredible. Imagine constructing a sandcastle. The grains of sand are your words, and with just a few, you can create something beautiful. Vocabulary empowers you to unlock thoughts and express ideas, building sentences that convey your emotions and intentions. Each new word you master is like adding a new tool to your kit, allowing you to unlock conversations and strengthen your grasp of the language. So let's gather some daily life vocabulary bricks and start building. Now let's turn our attention to our homes. Envision your cozy space as we explore 10 essential words that form the foundation of your daily environment. The word bed. Imagine sinking into its soft embrace after a long day. As we repeat, I sleep on the bed, feel the relaxation wash over you. Next we have door. Visualize opening it to greet a friend. The connection we share begins there. When we repeat, she closed the door gently. Picture that serene moment. Now let's sit on a chair, a sturdy support where ideas spark and conversations bloom. As you say, he is sitting on the chair, feel the warmth of a shared laugh. Then we grab a broom to keep our space tidy. Imagine the satisfaction of a clean floor as you repeat, I clean the floor with a broom. Moving on, think about soap. That fresh scent when washing your hands, echoing, wash your hands with soap. Look out the window. Visualize the world beyond as you say, I look out of the window. With mirror, reflect on your growth as you repeat, I look at myself in the mirror. Picture filling a bucket with water, maybe for watering plants, saying, fill the bucket with water. A fan spinning brings to mind a gentle breeze. Repeat, the fan is spinning fast. Finally, we settle down to watch our favorite show on TV, saying, I watch the news on TV. You've successfully learned 10 vital words that enrich your daily life vocabulary. Integrating these words into your routine will help solidify your understanding and accentuate your growth in the English language. Remember, learning doesn't stop here. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Keep those words alive in your conversations today, and let your vocabulary empower you. Understanding kitchen and food vocabulary is essential for anyone who loves cooking or wants to explore culinary delights. Each term opens up a world of possibility, whether you're preparing a simple meal or a feast for friends. Let's dive into some keywords that are fundamental to your kitchen knowledge and daily routines. First up is the bowl. This round container is perfect for serving up a variety of dishes, from soups to salads. Imagine a warm bowl of noodles resting in your hands, comforting and inviting. Another staple is the plate, where we elegantly present our meals. Picture a beautifully plated dish, steam rising off a bed of rice, ready to be enjoyed. This visual elevates a simple meal to a culinary experience. Moving to cooking utensils, we find the pan. A metal container essential for frying. It brings textures and flavors to life. Visualize eggs sizzling in the pan, their golden yolks bursting with flavor. Complementing this is the spoon, a tool we rely on to stir and savor our favorite foods. Consider stirring honey into your tea with a shiny spoon, the sweetness enriching each sip. The fork comes next, with its sharp points ready to lift delicious morsels from your plate, like a fresh garden salad. Each bite is a crunchy delight, providing a refreshing contrast to the softness of a well-cooked egg, which brings us to the next word, knife. This tool helps us cut and prepare ingredients with ease, chopping vegetables until they are just the right size for our dishes. In our daily routines, verbs enliven our actions. When you wake up, the day begins anew. Can you visualize the sunlight filtering through your curtains, rousing you from slumber? Next is brush, a simple yet vital act that keeps our smiles bright. Imagine reaching for your toothbrush, minty toothpaste awaiting your touch. As the day unfolds, we often eat. Visualize gathering around a table, sharing laughter and stories over a hearty lunch. Another refreshing moment comes with drink, quenching your thirst with a cold glass of water, revitalizing you after a long day. Finally, the words go, work, watch, and sleep punctuate our daily lives. Picture the hustle of moving to work or school, the tasks we accomplish, the simple pleasure of watching a favorite show on a cozy evening, and ultimately, drifting off to sleep. Each act contributing to the rhythm of our existence. Mastering this vocabulary not only enriches your language but enhances your culinary adventures. Our journey begins at 7 a.m., the magical hour when the world slowly awakens. As the gentle light filters through the curtains, it's time to embrace the day ahead. With the soft sounds of birds chirping, you rise from your slumber, stretching your limbs and taking a moment to express gratitude for another day. Next, the simple act of brushing your teeth transforms into a delightful ritual. Armed with your toothbrush, you engage in a dance of minty freshness, watching the mirror reflect your growing confidence. With each stroke, you're not just cleaning your teeth, but also preparing to greet the world with a bright smile. After your refreshing morning routine, it's bath time, a moment of serenity. The warm water envelops you like a comforting hug, washing away fatigue and bringing clarity. Clad in clean clothes, you step out, ready to face the day's adventures with a renewed spirit. Breakfast greets you with delicious aromas as you savor a plate filled with eggs and bread. Each bite bursts with flavor, fueling your body for the tasks ahead. The warmth of your tea, cradled in a glass, warms your hands while you sip, offering a cozy start to your bustling day. As the clock ticks, the world beckons. It's time to head to work. You venture into the community, embracing the day's challenges and navigating through your responsibilities. Returning home at 6 p.m., the solace of your sanctuary awaits, providing a much-needed reprieve from the day's hustle. Evenings are for unwinding. You immerse yourself in your favorite shows, allowing the flickering screen to draw you into captivating stories. As the clock heads to 10 p.m., your body signals that it's time to recharge. You tuck yourself in, the day's memories swirling like cotton candy in your mind, drifting off to sleep and dreaming of tomorrow's adventures. To enrich this journey, remember to embrace the new words you've learned along the way. They are not just tools for communication, but keys to unlocking new experiences and connections. Take your 5 chosen words, craft sentences with them, and speak them aloud. Recording your voice adds a fun layer of learning, capturing the essence of your growth. Engage with friends or share your sentences on platforms. It's a brave step toward mastering the art of conversation. As we wrap up our day, reflect on your progress. You've expanded your vocabulary, turned words into sentences, and practiced speaking aloud. This continuous effort forms the bedrock of fluency. Remind yourself, I learn English every day. With each word, you inch closer to becoming the eloquent speaker you aspire to be.